Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, we're gonna start with the DXY. So today it was a pretty interesting day to look for reversal trades on the other pairs, as for example sells on EU and GU, where I took 2 trades, and then for buys on USDJPY, USDCHF, and USDCAD. But I didn't took any trades there. I only took one continuation trade on USDCAD, I think. So I'm gonna show you my 3 trades today. And well, yeah. So today on DXY we took last week we took this Raw equity on H4, and then today we took this Raw equity on H4 here. So it was nice to look for well, it was a pretty good setup to look for reversal trades, as we took this Raw equity on H4 and we took the ATR level. So yeah, I think it was really nice for this. And well, and yeah, I'm gonna show you EU. Okay, so EU, in this case we had a profit today. It wasn't really a really nice trade because really I had to go to work and I entered the trade fast, so it is not the best trade ever. My stop loss is too big. I entered late because I had a problem with my computer. Well, it was a shitty trade, but it was a profit, so that's okay for me. But it could have been much more optimal if done properly. Okay, so well, let me show you. First of all, we took this Raw equity on H4 last week on Friday. So today we took this Raw equity on H4. The price overextended a lot during Asia, so the ATR level was hit, and we took the London high. So it was a really nice opportunity to look for sells in this case. Okay. So if we go to M5, as you can see, we take the London high. So from here I can look for some sells, and as you can see on M1 we have this break obstructor here because this high is broken. So my idea was to enter here with a sell limit. My stop loss should have been here and my TP here, but as you can see I took the trade how I could, and well, there wasn't any other possibility. So let me show you DXY. Today the DXY fucked a little bit around because we first had this break obstructor to the upside, which made me have a loss on GU that I'm gonna show you right now. And then we had this break here, which was at the same time 253 as EU, 254 in this case. That's why I entered here, and well, yeah, I took the opportunity 1 to 2, so that's nice. Then GU, in this case, we took all these liquidities on Friday, so we left all these liquidities for today. We took that overextending the price during Asia again and taking the London high in this case here. So let's see what I did. Okay, if the chart wants to load. Okay, so in this case I took this trade here to 27, which was the first break, to 20 more or less. So with the mitigation I took the trade here, and it went directly to stop loss. And then we had the other break obstructor right here, which is 303. So it's a little bit out of timing. We didn't really have the mitigation, so for me, no trades. Probably this could have been a much better trade because we didn't take the low. but I didn't see it in that moment, and well, I'm gonna mark it up just to look at it later on, because maybe it could have been a nice trade. The stop loss is too big in my opinion. Something like this. Well, we will see. Okay, I'm gonna look at it later on because I don't want to be all day here. Okay, but it's nice because we didn't take this low, and usually after these movements here we have liquidity. You can see reactions here, and well, yeah, I think it's a really nice target in this case. It even probably is round liquidity on M5. Yes, because we had this break here. So this is round liquidity on M5, but the target would have been before, and here on EU more or less the same. We had this break here, so this is round liquidity on M5. I closed the trade a little bit later because I wanted to see all these lows taken, as here we have a lot of liquidity, but yeah, I closed the trade right here. Okay. USDJPY, in this case we had nothing, the price started going up today again. It took the previous weekly high on Asia, so for tomorrow we have no round liquidities here. Okay, so I'm not gonna be able to look for any reversals, but we have this round liquidity on H4, so probably we can look for reversals if we take this or some continuation. Okay, USDCHF. In this case, we took this round liquidity on H4 in Asia, and we didn't look for any reversal trade because this was the London low, and we didn't take the London low, so yeah, I'm not able to look for trades. And finally, USD CAD. Here I have the stop loss for a continuation trade, as you can see. We are having an upside movement, so we put the FIBO from here to the high, and well, the 50% is reached. We took a rival liquidity on M5. In this case, it was this one from here to the left, and fuck me because we had a stop loss and then we had the movement to the upside. So yeah, we had the break obstructor right here. I entered here with the break. Maybe I could have waited for the mitigation, but well, it would have been a stop loss anyways. And the break of obstructor was here, sorry, 913. So yeah, it was here, and that's why I entered there. And then we had another break of structure on the DXY, but already out of timing, so no trades for me. Okay, in this case here. And finally, well, I wasn't able to look for any reversal trades because we didn't take any round liquidity on H4. As this line, it was just the break obstructor. Okay, so well, 3 trades today. I don't usually have 3 trades. Well, usually when I have a trade, I have multiple trades, but not always I have trades like every day. So yeah, it's okay. So well, I hope you like it. Longer video today. We had something interesting as well. Of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.